Alright, so here is the best way on how you can increase rally capacity in Dark World Survivor. So here, as you can see, I'm in the game right now and I'm pretty new to the game, but there are some stuff that you could do to increase your rally capacity. First up, what you can do is just simply invest in research center or battle or troop capacity. So I don't have research center right now, but if you're playing this game for a while, you must have it. So what you can do is just simply invest in the research center and invest in battle or troop capacity. It will eventually increase your rally capacity. And then what you can do is just simply increase your hero level, upgrade them for high rally capacity. So I only got one hero right now, it is this one over here. But if you upgrade its levels, you can directly, upgrade them and get higher capacity. And the last one and the least is upgrading your pets. So just upgrade your pets in the game. If you play furthermore, eventually you'll get pets, and if you upgrade them, you'll get more rally capacity. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial helped you out.